Every night before bed, I turn on my nightlight, read a story, curl up under a blanket, and give my bunny a hug. Hug, hug, hug. But last night, I couldn't find my bunny anywhere. There was only one place left to look. I had to go into the woods. And I wasn't afraid at all until I ran into a big scary brown bear. But the bear was just afraid of the dark, so I shared my nightlight with him. Then the big brown bear followed me deeper into the woods. And we weren't afraid at all until we ran into two scary giants. But the giants were just bored, so I shared my bedtime story with them. Oh. Then the giants and the big brown bear followed me deeper into the woods. And we weren't afraid at all until we ran into a scary fire-breathing triple-headed dragon. One, two, three. But the dragon just had a stomach ache, so I gave him a hug. Hug, 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 hug. Then the fire-breathing triple-headed dragon, the giants, the big brown bear followed me deeper into the woods. And we weren't afraid at all until we came to a big spooky dark cave. At first, nobody wanted to go in. But we took each other by the hand and marched into the dark together. And we ran into a very big, hairy, scary monster. He had something furry in his hand. I asked him, "Why did you take my bunny?" "Because I'm lonely all by myself in this big spooky dark cave," said the very big, hairy, scary monster. "Why don't you come back with us then? We'll all share my bunny." So we did. And we were not afraid at all. The end. Yay! Hug, 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 Baba. Hug, Baba. Hug. Hug. Say Baba.